Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will do a demo of FlexClip, an online video maker from Pearl Mountain that's taking the internet by storm. FlexClip boasts a user-friendly interface and intuitive tools, making it possible for anyone, regardless of experience, to create stunning videos. So, buckle up and get ready to know more about FlexClip. We would like to thank FlexClip for providing us with a business account for the review of their software. But bear in mind, this is a totally unbiased and honest review. FlexClip offers a huge library of templates, stock photos, stock videos, and stock audios to choose from, which are easily customizable to your liking. Although FlexClip offers a multitude of video editing features, today, our key focus is on exploring the AI tools offered by FlexClip. We will begin by looking at the basic options that any content creator needs from a video maker app. That is, you can record your screen, or your webcam, or both together using FlexClip. And here's how you do it. Choose the option you want to go with. We will go with the screen-only option. Give the relevant permissions and easily record your screen audio, after which, once you stop recording, you can directly add the clip to your FlexClip library. Next, we have the record voice feature, which basically allows you to record your audio and add the audio clips to your library. Basic, simple, and convenient. We will now look at their AI text-to-speech feature. You can choose from a number of different languages and accents, and also from a number of voices for each language. Some of the voices have multiple voice style options you can choose from, as we can see here. Now, let us give you a demo of the same.
Hi, my name is Jenny. Nice to meet you.
Although FlexClip has a number of text-to-speech options, it is still not as human as the voices you might find on 11 Labs. But it is a relatively much more budget-friendly option for the same. And not to forget, this is just one of the many features it offers. We believe these voices are perfect for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or presentations. We would still recommend 11 Labs for long-form YouTube videos. We rate this feature a 7 out of 10. Next, we will move on to their AI video script feature. This tool offers you a simple interface for generating a video script that you might want to work on. Simply, describe the script you want to generate and choose the duration from the drop-down menu, and FlexClip will do the rest. Let's take a look at it. As you can see, FlexClip in no time has generated a perfectly short script for an Instagram Reel, explaining what a birdie means in golf. It also gives you a scene-by-scene breakdown of your script, further helping you visualize your actual video. We rate this feature a 9 out of 10. Now, let's take a look at the AI video generator. This feature has two options, text to video and article URL to video. Firstly, we would like to clarify, this is not an AI video generator like Sora. The AI video generator feature on FlexClip allows you to give it some context and let it build a video up for you using the many stock images, videos, and audios FlexClip has on offer. Let's take a look at both these options one by one. Now, we will give the prompt, generate a holiday sale video for a flower shop. In a short time, FlexClip has given you suggestions on how you can set this video up. It has given you some text, along with the audio it deems to be fit for this topic, and images that it feels are relevant to the same. However, we feel that when suggestion images or videos using AI video generator, FlexClip is focusing on one word from the sentence and suggesting the image, rather than look at the whole thing collectively. We feel this can definitely be improved, and so far serves only as an assistance tool instead of a holistic tool. We rate this feature a 6 out of 10. Next, let's take a look at the article to video option. We will go on Google and search things to do when bored. Let us choose this article from WikiHow and feed the link to FlexClip. As we can see, FlexClip has focused on the initial part of the article where it is talking about the co-author of the article instead of the main topic of the article. Let's do another example. Let's now use this article from The Cut and see what FlexClip does. This time, FlexClip has managed to extract the whole article, which can now see on your left side of the screen. On the right side, FlexClip has automatically selected a few lines and given you images it thinks is relevant to those lines, but we again feel they are too word specific and not context specific. Now, you can click on any of the sentences from the left side, and FlexClip will add a clip of the same on the right with relevant images. You can thereafter edit the video as per your requirement. We rate this feature a 7 out of 10. Up next is the AI translator. It also features a simple interface which gives you 3 features. Translate project text, which allows you to translate the text from an existing project you're working on, and translate audio to text and audio to audio. Let's try out the same. We will first take a look at the Translate Audio to Text option. Simply choose the option from the bottom left, choose the original language of your audio and the target language of your audio. Let's translate this sample audio from English to Spanish. As you can see, FlexClip has very easily translated our audio into text, which we can use for multilingual subtitles. Next, let's try the audio to audio feature. You can choose your target language as well as select the voice of your choice and simply hit translate. And just like that, FlexClip again, very easily, has replaced the audio with the target language audio of our choice. We feel this is a really handy feature, especially if you are catering to people of different countries. We rate this feature a 10 out of 10. Now, we will take a look at one of the most sought-after features by online content creators, that is auto subtitles. Here, you have 3 options again. You can either manually write your subtitles, or upload a subtitle file, or, the best of the lot, let AI do its magic. We will take a look at the AI subtitle feature, and again, FlexClip impresses. It has very easily identified our audio and given us the subtitles for the same. There are a few subtitle styles you can choose from, as per your liking. We rate this feature a 10 out of 10. Besides all the above features, some other AI tools that FlexClip offers include an AI image generator with many filters and options, and an AI background remover, which can come in very handy. Based on our scores, we give FlexClip an overall score of 8 out of 10. Again, bear in mind, we are solely talking about the AI features and not FlexClip as a whole. We believe there are certain improvements FlexClip can still make and truly be an out-and-out winner in the race for the best video maker with AI tools. We highly recommend FlexClip as a great budget-friendly online video making software with AI tools. You can check out FlexClip from the link in our description. And there you have it. Thanks for joining us today. Be sure to like and subscribe for more such videos. See you next time.